This week on Cooked at Camp, I'm making Hillbilly Phillies. I turn a hunk of chuck roast into delicious burnt ends and bang them in a bun with Mexican cheese sauce. This cooking segment is just a snippet from a regular Wild Touring episode where we spend the best part of the week exploring the D'Entrecasteaux National Park, an off-road camping mecca. You'll find a link to that full trip video in the description below. Doing something called Hillbilly Phillies. So back at home before this trip, I've cooked a large chuck roast in my smoker for about 10 hours. When it finished, I cubed it up and then I've put butter, brown sugar and barbecue sauce on it, and I've let it cook down even further until I've got something that they call poor man's burnt ends, and we're going to have those in burgers tonight along with a cheese sauce that I'm going to make. But to start with, I'll get the air fryer on and we'll cook these, or we'll heat up these burnt ends. I've got everything going here at the moment too. I'm running the ice machine as well. It's all happening. So we'll bang those in. I don't know, they'll probably take 15, 20 minutes. Now I want to make a cheese sauce for our burger. So I'm going to make a Mexican cheese sauce, or a queso. I'll probably pronounce that wrong and someone will tell me, but that's okay. And to do that, oh, do you mind holding that for me, Craig? Would you mind, mate? I'm going to start by heating up some evaporated milk. Oh, that's unusual. You ever seen that before?
Oh, no.
That's weird, eh?
That is weird.
Yeah.
Have you got a can opener?
No, I think that'll work. But
Oh, that will work.
yeah. Anyway, I'm going to heat up that.
Never seen that before.
Just before it gets to the point of boiling, I'm going to bang in some cheese. And then I'm going to put in some onion powder, some garlic powder and some cumin. And finally, I've pre-chopped a heap of jalapenos, so I'll bang them in as well. And then I'll stir that while it's on the heat until it thickens up. If I need to, I've also got a little bit of corn flour, but I'm not sure if I'll need that yet. That's looking good, and the beef is done as well, so I think we're on. I've just got some potato buns that I'm going to heat up on the cast iron pan, and then we'll plate up and we'll be into it. Come on, first two victims. All right, so I've got some of that burnt end down there now, a bit of the cheese sauce. Yeah, dude, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead, Dad.
Hopefully it's all right, bro.
It looks good.
Do you want some extra hot sauce?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
What's going on, Craig? No, I'm going to give the whole thing to Cam. This is his Patreon.
All right, my dude, one of those is yours.
Yeah. That is good.
Is it all right?
Oh, yeah. Very
good.
Nice. Look at that.
Any allergies? Hopefully not.
Well, too late now.
All right?
That's
brilliant. Yeah, cool.
Done well, eh?
Righto, boys, two at a time. Who's up?